Did you see how new business manager on Facebook looks like? I was super surprised to see that my business manager was changed with some kind of meta business suit. It's not a business manager, come on, it's a business suit. Why do we have it? No idea. I think someone wanted to try out new stuff on Meta since yes, you're not Facebook anymore, you are Meta. So let's do new things. And yes, maybe because it's new, we're still not used to the interface, but come on, as a campaign manager, I can say that this business suite makes my life much harder. I don't have all the ad accounts that I used to. In order to log into any of my accounts, I need to go to Ads Manager and then just scroll down individually to every account. It means that when I manage more than one client, and these clients have all business managers, so I need to go to Ad Manager and to scroll down between all of these accounts. It makes my life so much harder. This new Meta Business Suite is not for campaign management, it's for content management, and I don't know why they actually bother, because there are so many different softwares already that allow you to manage your content amazingly. Like take a Hotsuite for example. In any case, there are different softwares right now that allow you to do that, and some of them allow you to do that even for free. Amazing tools, and you don't really need all of this. If we're going to look at what we have on our homepage, we have to-do list. Why? I have my calendar for that, and notes, and different task management software as well. I don't need it. Then obviously there is an advertising, and there is data about my recent posts. Guys, I am a campaign manager. I don't need this data. I don't care what is going on the page. I care what's going on with my advertising, with my leads, with my CTR and cost per result. Come on, I don't need this data. Recent stories? Seriously? Why do I need to have this on my homepage? Planner? If it's not a planner for my advertising and it doesn't show me then some of my ads were scheduled or planning to run, or if it's showing me something that is going on with my advertising account, why do I need this planner? I do not manage content on Facebook. And here we go. Recent ads. Let me tell you a story. I do have ads for this page. Yeah, I can't even say that this is ad account. This is Facebook page. I have ads, and in recent ads, it shows me nothing. Why? I tell you why. Because all of this Meta Business Suite is built as a boost button on your Facebook page. It means that it wants you to spend money. They even have a button here that called ads. It's not an ads manager, it's just ads. It's purely what you're going to see when you click on boost button. This is really not serious, guys. And in order for me now to go to my ads, I need to click on all the tools. And here we go. Here is my business manager. Just bear it here among all of these unnecessary buttons. I don't need an inbox in my all tools. I don't need content in my tools. If I want to manage my content, I simply go to my page and visit a page content manager, and I will schedule my posts and do whatever I want. This is how we used to do stuff, and this means that content wasn't important to me as campaign manager. As campaign manager, I wanted to see the performance of my ad accounts, at least the general performance in my business manager. I wanted simply switch between each ad account. I wanted to switch simply between my business managers. So right now, in order to do that, I click here and I can see all the pages and all the Instagram accounts that's right now owned by this business manager. Do you see that? And this is another business manager that I am in, and these are all the Facebook pages. I don't want to see that. I want to see advertising accounts. In my advertising account, I can advertise to multiple pages. I don't need to see these pages right here. I would like to simply switch between my advertising accounts. This is not happening here. The only useful thing that I found actually on this business manager, something that reminds me of an old good days with a regular business manager, is going to settings over here, the settings button, and here where we have all the different business manager settings. So it's business account info, all right, people that are in this specific business account, and then paid partnership, all right, business assets, and in business assets we have pages, ad accounts, Instagram accounts, and more, which are apps. And here we go, pixels, catalogs, and so on. So here is the only look that reminds me of my business manager. And I guess this is how I'm going to work right now. I'm going to use settings and business assets in order to switch between all of my ad accounts, because I don't see any other way. I'm not sure what was the reason for Meta to do that. Maybe they want to compete with different content management softwares and say that they have amazing tools themselves and they want to keep customers in. Or maybe they just want to point out that content management is very important and they want us to create more content and less ads. I'm not sure yet, but as a campaign manager, I'm definitely not satisfied with this new Meta business suite. So I hope they're going to listen to feedback from other campaign managers. I don't know, maybe they're going to split this amazing business suite between content managers and campaign managers. I don't know. For now, this is what we have, so I'm going to get used to that. I'm going to create a few shortcuts for myself because this business suite is not helping me to do my work any faster. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think about this new business suite in the comments below, and I see you next week. Goodbye.